The thing is the answer is a lot simpler than people make it out to be. You just start. Open up your page anywhere and start posting and get used to it. When you kind of get the feel for it, then you can take a step back and go, okay, now that I know how to do this, figure out who you're doing it for, why you're doing it, and then go back to your previous posts and go, okay, what gave me the most engagement? And if the post gives you something that's usable for your marketing plan in the future, then use it. And if it's not giving you the engagement you want, ditch it. It's all about a series of trial and error, but the first thing, your first step is just to get on and do it. You should be posting things that are relevant to you, your brand, and your following. Don't post like small talk. Why on earth post it online if it's not going to start a conversation, if it's not going to cause engagement? It's that Venn diagram of what do you need and what is your audience or the people following you looking for, and then there's a crossover. So you need to grow your following to the people who actually want to give you money, and then cater that content to those people and your business goals. And when you have that overlap, you're going to have a bit of success. The biggest reason I hear that people don't want to do it is they just don't have the time. But if you knew that you could schedule it ahead of time, say with a social media scheduler like Hootsuite, you can actually sit down and all at one time post anything that you want to post for the next month and not have to worry about it. The best kind of videos for social media are not professional at all. They're taken with cell phones. Right now, with COVID going on, they are showing you how unprofessional videos can be. I mean, with TV shows doing at-home editions and things of that nature, you do not need a professional video for anything. A cell phone video will suffice. Get started. You're going to fail over and over and over again, and that's okay. But the key to it is going back, taking a look at all of the things you've ever posted, all of the advertisements you've ever done, and then you see what worked and what didn't work. What worked, you want to put more effort into, you want to put more planning into to make it work better. And what didn't work, toss it. Campaigns used to take a long time, but with social media in general, it's instant. The second you run an ad or the second you have a post, you can see right there in real time how well it's doing. And if it's not doing to your standards and if it's not hitting your goals, toss it and find something that will. And you're going to keep tossing things until you find something that hits your sweet spot, and that's okay. But just make sure that you just keep moving forward.